Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the futuristic-looking MSI Cyborg 15 AI A1VFK, a gaming laptop packed with Intel's latest Core Ultra processor and an RTX 4060 GPU. This machine promises AI-powered performance, smooth 144Hz gaming, and a cyberpunk-inspired design. The transparent cyberpunk-style design gives it a futuristic gaming vibe. MSI clearly wanted something different from the usual black gaming laptops, and honestly, it looks pretty cool. The laptop weighs around 1.98 kilograms, so it's portable enough for school, university, or carrying around in a backpack. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS-level panel with a 144Hz refresh rate. For gaming, this is excellent. Competitive games like Valorant, CS2, Fortnite, and Apex Legends feel super smooth thanks to the high refresh rate. Colors and viewing angles are decent too, although this isn't really a creator-focused color-accurate display. But for gaming and entertainment, it does the job very well. It comes with the Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor featuring 16 cores up to 4.8 GHz boost clock and Intel AI Boost NPU support. Pair that with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 laptop GPU with 8GB GDDR6 RAM, and you've got a seriously capable gaming machine. You get 16GB DDR5 RAM running at 4800 MHz and a 512GB NVMe SSD. In terms of connectivity, MSI included USB Type-C with DisplayPort support, 2 USB Type-A ports, HDMI 2.1 Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. So connectivity is modern and future-ready. 53.5 Wh battery. You also get a Warzone RGB Gaming Keyboard, which adds a premium gaming feel, especially during night gaming sessions.